It's Patrick and Kendall at Pals. Well, we got a Volkswagen here. Kendall, what you got in this package?
All right, so we got a lower control arm. We are going to replace both front lower control arms, mainly because it's got a lot of miles on it. They're the original control arms. The car has 200,000 miles on it.
Great.
And these bushings here are gone bad. So we're going to replace these, do the rear shocks. The rear shocks are also original. And it's kind of unbelievable that this Volkswagen has 200,000 miles on it and is in almost perfect shape. The customer takes really good care of it. Some of this other stuff is just being taken care of. It's never been done, and they're getting ready to go on a long trip.
You know, folks, this is proof positive that if you take care of your car and do the maintenance that's required when it's required, replace worn out parts on time, you can keep your car forever. It'll just keep running. That's what this customer is going to do with this Volkswagen, and it looks very nice, very well kept. If you've got a Volkswagen, bring it to Pals. We can maintain it for you. See you soon.